Yes.
Shall I start?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good evening, sir. So, sir, as we discussed on yesterday, that I will be bullish on financial sector. So that is what happening. But today, as there was expiry, so some swings came. First market went on the higher side and then it came down. But the meanwhile, all financial stocks were performing good. Similarly, what I showed you last time, today same thing is happening. As I told you, if you remember, yesterday I saw you one pattern. That pattern was master candle pattern, if you remember. Here, as I told you, once that master candle will be broken, then market will move in a much higher good way. Now see today what happened. Today
Mm-hmm.
this was the master candle. I'll mark it out. Here it is, this one arrow. Let me wait. This was the master candle. If you will see here, this master candle breakout has been done, if you will see today. And what is happening exactly in the closing price of this master candle? This was the master candle, red one. Okay, this one. Market is taking support there or not? Tell me that part. After breakout, what is happening? Market Bank Nifty is taking support here. So what probably tomorrow's up move? In worst to worst case, market can retest up to 31,800 level. That will be the best scenario to buy. Again, I'll repeat, 31,800 will be the best scenario to buy here till there. Or meanwhile, you can jump if there is no gap up, or if there is little bit dip, we can again go long in Bank Nifty as usual. Okay. So currently my view is similar. Bank Nifty I'm bullish and market is breaking new and new highs again and again. Today also there was a gap up opening, after that market made a new high and then little profit booking came. This is just a expiry volatility. There is no need to worry. Banks will outperform in next 1 2 week, as I am saying. So yesterday I gave you one of my pickings. So we shall discuss. That was Kotak Bank.
Yes.
Kotak Bank here. So as I told you yesterday in daily chart, there was a channel. Okay, I was expecting some good move in Kotak, but what actually happened? This one, Kotak, this one. So what happened actually? I was expecting a good move in Kotak, but what actually happened? Kotak again came down. But can you see Kotak is taking support again at trend line? It took support at trend line. As long as this 1936 level is safe, we don't have to worry. But the possible part is why I didn't pick up Kotak Bank today. I'll show you one of the best example. This candle we say is semi marabuzo. Semi marabuzo candle, in my language, it is simple language that a candle is having a open high, open equals to high, or open equals to low, same. So I'll write it down here simply. Open equals to high. This is known as semi marabuzo candle. This is the Japanese name of the candle, semi marabuzo candle. Signal will be intra bearish. So this is the reason open is equal to high. Today Kotak has a open is equal to high in cash. Due to this reason, my positional view in Kotak is bullish, but in intraday it is confirming. As you can see on the left side, open and high are same. Can you see it? 1984, 1984 here. So open and high are same means in the morning itself, everyone is willing to sell Kotak. Or some big players came up in the opening of the market and they have sold some huge chunks. So in such scenario, I won't go against the trend. That is intra trend will be bearish. Remember this word open is equal to high whenever there will be a, so signal will be intra bearish. Another one similar concept I'll tell you, that is open is equal to low in stock. Open equals to low. This will be signal intra bullish. Okay. So this will be intra bullish. Some of the stocks will work according to this one. So this is the only reason today I didn't catch up Kotak. Meanwhile, my view is same. As long as that 1936 level is same, it has to go up. Okay. Now we'll come to another concept, that is Nifty. As I told, Nifty, almost all the heat has been like over. Market is in overbought zone Nifty, and you can clearly see there is selling visible every time. Market is trying to open gap up. From the day I alerted, market is giving sell off. Can you able to see, sir? From the last 2 days, again and again we are giving that red closing, market is opening at higher level, from there someone is making short or someone is selling and market is coming down. So usually in such case, if this scenario repeat and market is not breaking recent swing high, so in our language we simply say distribution. What we say, distribution. I'll repeat that word. This distribution is nominal. Let me show you. This type of scenario is known as distribution. Distri distribution. In such distribution pattern, what will happen? Distribution means in terms of my language, okay, it could vary from one person to another. Usually it is like that big players are showing us that market is going to making new highs, but what actually they are doing, they are just distributing their accumulate stocks to some other guys. Means what they are doing, till now they were longs, now they are distributing all their longs to retailers. So now slowly and slowly, if market will be in this consolidation zone, so anytime if this 14,052 level, 14,030 level, the downside recent swing low will get break, then there can be a huge sell off. That huge sell off will come once this breakdown will happen. So again, I'm clearing, I'm not bearish yet, but what can I say? This is not the best scenario to go long. As you can see, there is a channel is being made. So if recent swing high is being broken out, means this swing high is broken out, and after that market is sustaining at higher levels, then again we'll start going long in markets. But currently what I am feeling is that this is the distribution, someone is selling, so I will be cautious at this level in nifty again. Okay, I am not making shorts, even not long. But anytime this 14,050 level will breach or 30 level will breach and market sustains, so I can think about short with recent swing high. Target will be good. We can expect recent swing low, recent this one breakout level 13,700 level. Got it? Today's one of my pick I'll show you, that is PEL, which I have even given Piramal Enterprises. This is my stock. What actually happening in PEL? It has given a weekly breakout, so it can be an investment pick also. I'll show you what is actually happening here. Wait, and what targets are coming. Let me show you. This is the weekly chart. Okay, sir. In weekly chart, have a look in PEL. It is a kind of pattern, perfect. You can say perfect pattern of inverse head and shoulder. If you will see it, this one, this one, and it is in weekly chart. Okay, now simply see nominal one thing. It has given breakout also, it is sustaining. It is weekly pattern. So from here I am expecting a very good move in PEL. This was the first left shoulder, then after one, this will be the head. If you will see, these patterns are very much famous in market and they work very well. I have worked in such patterns from a long time. From last 5 years I am working in this pattern. So clearly visible, sir. It is known as inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here the breakout has been confirmed. For if you are going to take entry, so this will be the best scenario once this line will get broke out. This one, recent 1520 level. Now what levels actually I am expecting for investment purpose, if you are seeing, so this one, this is the recent swing high which we can see, that is 2710. So that time frame could be very like 6 months to 8 months. This level can come up. And for like swing players for January month or like February month, if swing players are working, so this one could be the resistance, that is 1792 level, this one. So this is the chart. This is the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this stocks comes in my radar. I'll write PEL for next 1 month. And if someone is going for a like searching for a swing trade in such market, so PEL will be the best performing pick. Okay. So meanwhile, before doing any investment or trading activities, please consult your financial advisor. We shall not be responsible for any kind of losses or profit. Thank you.